And we start first up with the latest that's coming in on the hijab controversy that has resurfaced in the state of Karnataka. Now note, a day after Karnataka government's diktat on hijab was passed, it's the state BJP that has objected to the state decision to revoke the order on hijab ban. This after Chief Minister Siddaramaiah was quoted as saying that there's going to be no more hijab ban in the state, asking the people of the state to wear whatever they wish to. The BJP, meanwhile, has objected to the state's decision on the hijab order, saying that this is nothing but an attempt to divide on religious lines and that the government is hindering the very inclusive education in the state. Before we go across to Prajwal, who's going to get us the latest on what exactly has surfaced, beg your pardon, listen in to that statement that came in from Chief Minister Siddaramaiah announcing the decision to revoke hijab ban.
ಹಿಜಾಬ್ ಅದು ವಾಪಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಏನು ಹಿಜಾಬ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಈಗ. ಹಿಜಾಬ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು ಈಗ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಆದೇಶ ವಾಪಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಈಗ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಊಟ ಮಾಡೋದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸೇರುದ್ದು. ನಾನ್ಯಾಕೆ ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಅಡ್ಡಿಪಡಿಸ್ಲಿ? ನೀ ಯಾವ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಹಾಕತ್ತೀಯ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಪ್ಪ, ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ ಮಾಡು, ನನಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ? ನಾನು ಊಟ ಮಾಡೋದು ನಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಊಟ ಮಾಡೋದು ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ. ಅದು ಹಕ್ಕು, ನನ್ನ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್, ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ನಾನು ಧೋತಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಜುಬ್ಬ ಹಾಕತ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀನ್ ಪ್ಯಾಂಟು ಶರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಹಾಕೋಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ತಪ್ಪೇನಿದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ? ತಪ್ಪೇನಿದೆ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಓಟ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಮಾಡಬಾರದು.
All right, so there you heard Chief Minister Siddaramaiah saying that people of the state are free to wear whatever they wish to, further adding that the decision to ban hijab will now be lifted by the state government. Let's go across to Prajwal, who's joining us on the phone line. Prajwal, good morning. Hijab controversy, of course, back in the state of Karnataka, but tell us, is this something which is being looked as appeasement politics by the opposition in the state of Karnataka?
Good morning, Samiksha, and first and foremost, now looking at the context where Siddaramaiah is speaking, this is yet another program for the minorities as well. And at this point of time, Siddaramaiah has made this statement when somebody has spoken about the hijab. But we will also need to understand the legal repercussions as well as the legal aspects of this particular case, because the matter is in the Supreme Court of India. And there was a two-way verdict which came in. One of the judges clearly stated that hijab should not be worn inside classrooms, but it can be worn inside the premises of educational institutions. Whereas yet another judge totally said that there is absolutely nothing wrong in wearing the hijab inside the classrooms. But secondly, now looking at the Karnataka's Uniform Act for school children as well as college children, it clearly mentions that there should be a uniform. There should be a sense of collectiveness and uniformity as well. So how can the Chief Minister go ahead and say this? And also, secondly, now, there has always been a uniform in the state of Karnataka. There has been no sort of amendment to the law as such. But now if the Chief Minister is saying that, will they go ahead and amend the law? That is something that needs to be seen. And this will definitely come up in the session as well. Because remember that this was also mentioned in the manifesto of the Congress. But this can also go ahead and snowball into a huge political controversy as well. Because now we are also looking at the BJP state president B.Y. Vijayendra stating that Karnataka is being divided on communal lines by the Congress as well, and it should not be done so if peace and harmony should continue in the state of Karnataka.
Right. Prajwal, stay with us. Let's take a word from S. Prakash, Karnataka BJP leader, also joining us on the phone line. Sir, good morning. What do you make of this decision that's been made by Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, given that this announcement was made at an event that was attended by the minority community? Do you think this is something which is nothing but an appeasement politics by the state government?
Absolutely. Mr. Siddaramaiah was rattled by the chartered flight controversies he was facing, and he wanted to divert the attention. So he conveniently utilized the opportunity in a program attended by the minorities to announce that the hijab order will be withdrawn. As said by the earlier reporter, the matter is sub judice, and the state government does not have any to withdraw the ordinance by orally or by act. Let the Supreme Court decide whether the uniform is comprising of hijab or not. So till then, he should have waited for it. But since he wants to please a particular vote bank, he has gone ahead and announced it. I am sure the legal course will take its own course.
Yes, just leaving it at that, let's take a word from Prajwal again. Prajwal, once again, take us through the details of this event that was addressed by Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. Like you were telling us, this was an event that was attended majorly by the minority community. So is it something which is being looked as nothing but appeasement politics by the BJP and other political parties in the state?
Now that is exactly what the opposition is going ahead and stating and alleging the fact that this is mainly because of the polarization politics of the Congress party, and therefore they are attempting this. But Samiksha, what we need to also understand over here is that this is easier than done. Why is it easier than done? Because the legal recourse has its own norms as well, and you cannot immediately change the legal status of a particular case, that too which is still there in the apex court, and it is in fact already been referred to a constitution bench in itself. So there will also be several legal ramifications too. But then if the government is trying to go ahead and play on it, they have one strong point stating that the previous government wanted this, we do not want this. But what about the Uniform Act in Karnataka, which has been there since 1973? That is something that will have to be asked about. But at the same point of time, these statements coming in just around 4 to 5 months away from the Lok Sabha polls is nothing surprising. And therefore, the BJP is calling it appeasement and polarizing politics of the Congress party to go and appease a certain community.
All right, Prajwal, we will get back to you. In fact, before we get more political reactions, once again listen in to that announcement that was made by Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. But before we play out that statement again, let's take a word from Tanveer Ahmed, political analyst, also joining us. Mr. Ahmed, good morning. Your first response to this decision that's been made by the Karnataka government, would you also say that this is nothing but an appeasement attempt on part of the state government?
Absolutely no, this is not an appeasement. That was the right of those girls to wear hijab. That was the right of those girls, they want to promote, protect and practice. So I think what Siddaramaiah did is within the purview of the constitution. BJP was trying to really divide the society on the basis of religion, and they were playing with the educations of young girls. So this is a very welcoming decision. Whatever they want to wear, if they want to wear a turban of Sikh identity, they want to wear bindi, tika, tilak of Hindu identity, or hijab of Muslim identity. I think we all need to really appreciate this decision, and I totally really welcome Honorable Chief Minister of Karnataka, who has taken a very, very strong decision, and he has protected the future of India, which is the education of those girls.
All right. Let's in fact, thank you for speaking to us. In fact, on that note, once again, listen in to that announcement that came in from Chief Minister Siddaramaiah last evening on revoking the hijab ban in the state of Karnataka.
ಹಿಜಾಬ್ ಅದು ವಾಪಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಏನು ಹಿಜಾಬ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಈಗ. ಹಿಜಾಬ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು ಈಗ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಆದೇಶ ವಾಪಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಈಗ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಊಟ ಮಾಡೋದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸೇರದ್ದು. ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಅಡ್ಡಿಪಡಿಸ್ಲಿ? ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಹಾಕತ್ತೀಯ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಪ್ಪ, ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ ಮಾಡು, ನನಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ? ನಾನು ಊಟ ಮಾಡೋದು ನಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಊಟ ಮಾಡೋದು ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ, ಅದು ನಿನ್ನ ಹಕ್ಕು, ನನ್ನ. ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್, ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ನಾನು ಧೋತಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಜುಬ್ಬ ಹಾಕತ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀನ್ ಪ್ಯಾಂಟು ಶರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಹಾಕೋ ನೀನು. ಅಲ್ವಾ?